At my school, we study a lot of subjects. My favorite subjects are history and geography. I love to learn about the world. In history, we learn about life in the past. It is very interesting. My favorite unit that we study every year is the Roman Empire. I enjoy learning about how the Romans lived. In geography, we learn about the countries and the capitals of the world. I know all the countries and capitals of Europe. We also learn about the weather, oceans, mountains, and other topics related to the planet. Maths is a very difficult subject for me. I don't like doing problems or hard sums. I am not very good at calculating numbers. We have math classes every day and my teacher is really good, so we learn a lot, but I still don't like the subject. PE is a really fun subject. We play all different sports like basketball, football, badminton, or hockey. We even have a swimming pool in the school, so we can go swimming. However, we only go swimming once a week because it is quite small. In our English lessons, we learn how to speak, write, and understand English. I like this subject because I am very good at languages and because I think that it is very important for my future. I want to be a pilot when I am older, and pilots need to speak English. Because I love languages, I also love my French classes. I don't think that I will use French when I am a pilot, but I think it is good to know how to speak other languages. One day I will visit France and I will know how to speak with everyone there. Biology is very interesting. We learn about the human body, animals, plants, and other life on Earth. I think it is important to understand how our bodies and nature works. We go on a lot of trips in our biology classes to visit museums, hospitals, zoos, and forests. It is more interesting to go on trips because it is more boring when you just read it in a book. We learn how to sing and play musical instruments in our music lessons. We normally play the piano and the guitar. I think that the piano is more difficult to play than the guitar, but I think that piano songs are more relaxing. Drama is really fun because we learn how to act. I love movies and series, so I love to copy my favorite characters. I am good at acting because I am very creative. Last year, I acted in the school play at the end of the year. My character was a dancer, so I learned to dance. It was difficult to dance and act at the same time, but everyone said that I was great. Another subject that I love is art. We learn how to create amazing things. Last week, I did a great painting of my dog. It was difficult, but my teacher helped me. We also learn how to draw well and make sculptures. Making sculptures is more difficult than painting or drawing because it is 3D. I also like this subject because we don't have any exams. I don't like exams because they are stressful. Finally, I think that IT is a very important subject for young people. We use laptops in this subject and we learn to use basic computer programs, write documents, create files, etc. We also learn about electricity and how technology works. Last year, we made a small robot. We learned a lot from the project and it was very fun. In the future, we will use technology a lot, so it is great that they are teaching us this. Now I would like you to answer these questions and write your answers in the comment section and I can correct them. The first question is, which was your favorite subject in school and why? Which subjects didn't you like and why? What sports did you play in PE when you were at school? And finally, did you have English classes at your school? If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much and I'll see you in the next video.